Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited today because I'm recreating this look right here that you guys liked. And to start off the look, I'm priming my eyelids with my P. Louise in the number 4. Now to create this look, I'm using my Morphe X James Charles palette, and I'm using the darkest purple to start off the look. So I packed the purple on my outer corner on my crease and then started blending it out and blending it towards my inner corner. After the purple, I'm going in with this beautiful blue, and I'm going to start packing that right on top of the purple. Make sure while applying this, you're packing a good amount because you want the blue to show over the purple. At this point, you're just going to want to continue to blend back and forth with both the purple and the blue. The point of eyeshadow is to blend. That's how you make it look seamless and perfect. Now I'm going in with this beautiful color. This color I'm placing right on top of the purple and using that to blend it out. And of course, don't forget, whatever you do on one eye, you must do to the other. After making sure my eyeshadow's blended out nicely, I'm just going to go back in with the blue and packing it right back on so that it looks more bold. You want to make sure that blue is vibrant and visible. Now, I know, I look crazy. I know, it's okay. But what we're going to do is, we're going to go in right with this P. Louise in the shade number 1. We're going to use this to cut that crease, baby, because it's going to get the job done. So I decided to speed this clip up because cutting the crease takes a little bit of a while. But if you guys want an in-depth video, make sure to like and comment and I'll get that out to you. Now it's time to taste the rainbow. I'm going back in with this blue and packing it on the outer V again. And then you're going to want to drag it downwards towards the lash line so it's at a slant. Now it's time for the pink to shine. I'm going to take a packing brush and I'm just placing that right on top of the blue, and this is going to make the eyeshadow pop more. Remember, blend, blend, blend. You don't want to lose sight of any of those colors. Now it's time for the orange. I'm going to place that right above the pink, and we're going to use that to help blend the pink and the yellow that we're soon going to add on. If you feel that any of the colors have lost their vibrance, just go back and lightly pack them back on. Last but not least, we have yellow. I'm going in with this brush and packing the color on so that it's vibrant, and then I'm going to go in with a smaller brush just for detail. Unfortunately, my phone stopped recording and I didn't realize, but all I did was add on my lashes in the style Sunny, added a white gold pigment to the eye, and eyeliner. Now I'm going in with all the colors that I used on my lid and placing it on the bottom lash line. Now to finally finish the eyes, I'm going in with this NYX Jumbo eyeliner in the color Milk. The lip liner I'm using is from MAC and it's in the color Cork. And then I'm going to go in with Bosom Friend, also by MAC. So, because this lip color is pretty light and your girl's not trying to look crazy, I'm going back in with Cork and I'm just going to use that to darken the edges. Now it's time for the slay.
Bouncing around, bouncing around, bouncing around, bouncing.